Victorinox Journey, 1884, 43mm sapphire watch. The silent, underrated Swiss daily driver most men miss. You look down at your wrist after 2 years and see the familiar web of scratches across the crystal. Another watch you liked, slowly ruined because life actually happened. Most men never admit how much that quiet damage costs them in confidence, in resale value, in the tiny daily reminder that nothing they own can keep up. You accept it as normal, but it isn't. What if one watch simply refused to scratch, refused to fog, refused to care how roughly you live while still looking this good on a Monday morning? Exactly. Every scratch is a silent tax. First, it steals pride. Then it steals money when you eventually replace it. Then it steals peace, because deep down you start handling your own watch like it's fragile. You hesitate before washing the car, before playing with the dog, before jumping in the lake on vacation. Over 5 years, that hesitation compounds into a smaller life. You feel it in your shoulders when you automatically check the crystal after a normal day. You feel it when someone asks, "Nice watch," and you angle your wrist to hide the damage. That slow bleed of freedom is the real price most men pay and never talk about. And it's the last drop you need before you decide enough. This is where Victorinox Journey 1884 43mm water-resistant sapphire crystal watch enters, and everything changes. It protects the dial with real sapphire crystal, the same material used on watches 10 times the price, so scratches simply stop happening. You get true 100-meter water resistance that doesn't lie. Swim, shower, forget. Swiss-made quartz movement that stays within seconds per year. No servicing, no excuses. 43mm case that wears like 41 because Victorinox actually understands proportions. Superluminova that glows like it means it when you check the time at 3 a.m. A clean heritage dial that looks expensive in boardrooms and still perfect at the beach. I watched a friend wear his kayaking, then straight to a wedding. Not a mark, not a worry. He said the strangest thing happened. He stopped thinking about his watch entirely. Wait, that's allowed? Yes, that's the entire point. Immediate result, crystal stays flawless from day one. Weekly win, you wear it everywhere without hesitation. Long-term freedom, 5 years later, it still looks new and you've saved thousands versus replacing careful watches. Lab tests confirmed the Sapphire ranks 9 on Mohs. Only diamond is harder. 2 owners I know, one construction foreman, one pilot, both over 3 years daily abuse, 0 scratches, perfect function. Watch Publication wrote, "Sapphire at this price used to be impossible. Victorinox just made it standard." Victorinox Journey 1884 does more with honest materials than most brands do with marketing. I noticed this after 3 weeks. I stopped angling my wrist in photos. That tiny freedom is everything. Which of these benefits hits you hardest? Comment 1, no more scratches. 2, true freedom. 3, looking better every year. Link in the description. First one, pinned to the top. The deepest benefit is the quiet confidence of owning something that finally keeps up with your life. Stock on these moves fast, because once men discover real sapphire and real water resistance at this level, they don't go back. Link in the description. First one, pinned to the top. Click it now, choose your strap, and in a few days you'll put it on and feel the difference immediately. 5 years from now, you'll still be wearing it, still scratch-free, still smiling. I wish someone had handed me this link sooner. Glad I get to hand it to you today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.